get this manifold replaced. Hopefully. Plan anyway. Oh, come on now. Oh. Take the carburetor off. Okay. Get that hanging down. Two washers on those. Oh. Oh, dang it. I kind of need some of those. Hoping to reuse these. I just put them on, but I didn't buy replacements. Hopefully, I was hoping these would still be good. That one's not. That one's all burned up already. Okay, this might be interesting. So the two on the intake side, or that only have an intake, look like they are going to be okay. It's weird, there's like two gaskets in there, but these being uneven are all, I don't know, they're all burned up. So I mean, everything that had a gap on it, it got blown out. So these are about the only two that I could salvage. Yeah, there's a new manifold. Let's see if I can get these studs off. Don't think this is going to be real practical without heat. Let's see if we can get them rotated. Yeah, I was afraid of that. A little bit more. I can't even get that one turned. Golly. Yeah. It's just spinning. Might have to get the heat out or just not put them on. See, that's not looking too hot right there. That's kind of burned out from letting it run so long. It's kind of burned out there. Hopefully that's not too bad. In the interest of time, and since I don't have a new set of gaskets, I think I'll just use what I got here. I feel like I might be replacing these gaskets anyway at some time. Oh well. Let's just do it and see what happens. Beefy. Dang it. Oh, there goes all my seals. Okay. That was a good idea. Maybe I should wait to put those on. All right, I'll get these set back on and then I should be able to slip it over. Or not. This is going to be fun. Kind of finagling these on slowly. I'll put these back on. Two washers here. I don't know if this engine's been rebuilt, so I don't know if the washers are exactly like that, but that's how it was when I took it apart last time. Okay, this is a tight fit. Matter of fact, almost too tight. Probably have to grind that flush. I don't know if I'll be able to use that lock washer. Okay, let's tighten it up. Pipe wrench on that. It's loud, but put this on. See what she says. Let's go this way. I can't remember. Yeah.
I can't. You don't have to go.
It's got like a
What?
it's got a bottom out right there.
Oh, okay. All right.
So it should be like that probably. Let's see what she sounds like.
Well, you ought to tighten your muffler.
Okay, alright, I'll tighten it up here. I didn't even loosen it. I've been tightening it, but I think that's all I need to do.